In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer the ownership of a Google Ads account. If you're handing off responsibility to a colleague, a client, or consolidating control under a different user, this quick process will make sure the right person has full authority over the account. Before we begin, keep in mind that only someone with the appropriate permissions can change ownership, and ownership affects who controls high-level settings like user access and billing. So it's worth double-checking you're working in the correct account and that the intended new owner already appears as a user with access. Once you're in your Google Ads account, look to the left-hand navigation. Click on Admin, then select Access and Security. This is where all user permissions live, and it's the best place to review who currently has access and what role each person has. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Google occasionally updates the interface, but the Access and Security section remains the central hub for user control. Next, go to the Managers tab. This tab lists the accounts or users who have managerial access, and it's where ownership is designated. Think of this as the control center for who can manage the account at the highest level. If you don't immediately see the person you plan to make the owner, pause and confirm they already have access to the account. The transfer can only be assigned to someone who's visible here. Now, find the owner column for the person who should become the new owner and set it to yes. When you do this, Google Ads designates that user as the account owner. Typically, only one owner can be active at a time, so the previous owner's status is updated accordingly. This change may take a moment to reflect, and you can refresh the page to confirm it's been applied. That's all you need to do to transfer ownership. As a quick recap, you went to Admin, opened Access and Security, navigated to the Managers tab, and toggled the Owner column to Yes for the new owner. After the transfer, it's a good idea to let the new owner know to verify their permissions and review billing, linked accounts, and user access to ensure everything aligns with their responsibilities. If at any point you need to revert ownership, you can return to the same spot and update the Owner column again. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to keep your account secure by granting only the access that's truly needed and reviewing permissions periodically.